Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're in an apartment building today. We got to look at a plug kitchen sink. You guys have an issue with your kitchen?
Yeah.
I'm here to look after that for you, all right? Do you have anything under your sink? How's everything going today?
Not too bad.
Not too bad, other than this, eh?
Yeah. Stay at home.
That's perfect, thank you, brother. So what happened? Just backing up by itself or just not going down? I'm going to show you in a minute here. You got way too much stuff going down here.
Oh.
Always make sure these things stay in.
Yeah.
Hey, boss. Look at this.
Wow. Oh, yeah.
So, have I ever been here before?
I don't think so.
Okay. So I'm what they call a nice guy, but only one time. Right? If I tell the management about this, they're gonna give you guys the service call bill. Right? You gotta keep these things in. If I come back, I find it, I gotta let them know. All right? No problem. Yeah, they call us in. Alright, brother, so just clean all that out and you're good to go. No problem. Alright, have a good day, alright? Thank you. Bye. Alright. So, you can see what happens when you let food go down your drain, food, straws, stuff like that. It doesn't break down and it just gets stuck in the P-trap. And that's why we tell people make sure they have strainers in the sink and make sure food doesn't go down there. Anyway guys, this has been Jay That Drain Guy signing out. Trout.